Did you know that light travels at a staggering speed of almost 300,000 kilometers per second? That's fast enough to go around the Earth 7.5 times in 1 second. It's hard to believe, isn't it? But that's the fascinating world of light for you. This unseen force that brightens our world is no ordinary phenomenon. It's a burst of energy that moves in waves, illuminating our surroundings and making it possible for us to see. Light doesn't just stay put. It's always on the move, darting through space, bouncing off objects, and reaching our eyes. And the images we see, they're actually aged. Yes, the image we see of a distant star, for instance, is how it looked many years ago. Not as it is right now. It's intriguing, isn't it? The magic of light is everywhere. So let's embark on an enlightening journey from night to day, exploring the magical world of light. As darkness descends, the night sky transforms into a glittering canvas, painted with the radiant glow of the moon, stars, and even certain animals and plants. In the grand theater of nature, the moon takes center stage as our primary nighttime illuminator. It's not a self-lit star, but a mere reflector, borrowing its glow from the sun. The moon's surface reflects sunlight back to us, serving as a nightlight for our planet. Imagine it as a giant mirror in the sky, bouncing sunlight back to Earth. Then there are the stars, those distant suns scattered across the cosmos. Each star is a furnace of nuclear reactions, converting hydrogen into helium and releasing energy in the process. This energy travels through space in the form of light, illuminating our night sky with a delicate smattering of twinkling pinpricks. But let's not forget about the unsung heroes of nighttime illumination, the bioluminescent organisms. These are living creatures, from fireflies fluttering in backyards to glowworms dwelling in caves and deep-sea creatures hidden beneath the ocean's surface. They produce their own light through a chemical reaction within their bodies. It's a captivating natural phenomenon as they light up their surroundings in an ethereal glow. Plants too play their part, thanks to a process called phosphorescence. Certain fungi, for instance, absorb light during the day and then slowly release it at night, creating a mystical, fairy tale-like atmosphere. These natural illuminators, each with their unique methods of producing or reflecting light, light up our world after sunset. They guide us through the darkness, create a sense of wonder, and remind us of the fascinating science that governs our universe. And just when you thought nighttime couldn't be more enchanting, there's an extravagant light show waiting to dazzle you. Imagine a vibrant dance of colors lighting up the night sky. Welcome to the mesmerizing spectacle of the Northern Lights. This breathtaking phenomenon, also known as the aurora borealis, is not just a beautiful display of nature's artistry, but a science lover's dream come true. Let's delve into the science behind this stunning spectacle. It all begins with our sun, which continuously emits a stream of charged particles known as the solar wind. Occasionally, these particles are flung towards Earth with exceptional vigor, and when they collide with our planet's magnetic field, they are drawn towards the poles. As these solar particles enter Earth's atmosphere, they collide with oxygen and nitrogen atoms, causing them to excite and emit light. It's this dance of atoms and particles, this cosmic ballet that paints the night sky with vibrant hues of green, purple, and red. But as night fades, a familiar warm glow begins to light up our world. As dawn breaks, the sun makes its grand entrance, casting a golden hue across the sky and breathing life into our day. The sun, our primary source of light and life, rises in the east, painting the canvas of the sky with its vibrant colors. But have you ever wondered how this sunlight reaches us? Let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable journey light embarks on from the sun to our planet. The sun, a magnificent ball of hot, glowing gases, is a natural nuclear reactor where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, a process known as nuclear fusion. This reaction releases an incredible amount of energy in the form of light and heat. Now, this light doesn't reach us instantly. In fact, the journey of light is quite an adventure. It zips through the sun's atmosphere and then embarks on a journey through the vast emptiness of space. Traveling at a staggering speed of approximately 186,000 miles per second, it takes about 8 1/3 minutes for sunlight to travel from the sun to the Earth. This means when you're basking in the sun's rays, you're experiencing light that started its journey over 8 minutes ago. Light plays an indispensable role in our lives. It not only enables us to see the world around us, but is also crucial for the survival of all life on Earth. It provides the energy needed for plants to carry out photosynthesis, which in turn produces the oxygen we breathe. It's fascinating, isn't it? The light that wakes us up each morning, that helps the plants to grow, that paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, is a byproduct of a powerful nuclear reaction happening about 93 million miles away from us. Yet, while nature has its own beautiful sources of light, mankind has crafted its own illuminations. From the flickering flame of a candle to the dazzling neon lights of a city skyline, mankind has harnessed the power of light in countless ways. The simple act of striking a match to light the darkness was a significant leap in our journey with light. We've come a long way since then, inventing myriad sources of light from incandescent bulbs to LED lights. These light sources are based on the principles of physics and chemistry, transforming energy into photons, the basic particles of light. Incandescent bulbs, for instance, produce light by heating a wire filament until it glows. This process, known as incandescence, was the basis for Thomas Edison's famous light bulb. On the other hand, LED or light-emitting diode lights use a more energy-efficient process called electroluminescence, where light is produced as a result of an electric current passing through a semiconductor. Today, man-made light is an integral part of our daily lives. It guides us through the night, illuminates our homes, offices and streets, and even plays a crucial role in our technology. Light is used in fiber optic cables to transmit information at the speed of light, connecting us to the world in the blink of an eye. However, our pursuit of light has its downsides. The excessive and misdirected artificial light that we produce is creating a phenomenon known as light pollution. This brightening of the night sky interferes with astronomical observation and disrupts ecosystems and wildlife. Millions of city dwellers have never experienced the true wonder of a dark sky twinkling with stars, a sight that our ancestors took for granted. But all is not lost. By making conscious choices like using outdoor lighting only when necessary, and opting for warm-colored, low-intensity lights, we can reduce light pollution. As beautiful as our lights are, they can sometimes obscure the natural wonders of the night sky. Light pollution not only hides the stars but also disrupts ecosystems and wastes energy. This is the dark side of our fascination with light. The excessive and inappropriate use of artificial light at night has turned our cities into domes of luminescence, obscuring the stars and altering the natural rhythms of life. Regrettably, this flood of artificial light has dire consequences. For one, it disrupts the circadian rhythms of humans and wildlife alike, leading to a myriad of health problems. Birds, for instance, may become disoriented during migration seasons, causing them to stray off course. On a larger scale, light pollution wastes energy, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and climate change. But there's a silver lining. We can make a difference. And it starts with awareness and small changes in our daily habits. How about we start by being more mindful of the lights we use at home? Try to use lights only when necessary and opt for energy-efficient bulbs. They not only save energy but also last longer. Outdoor lighting can be a bit trickier, but it's not insurmountable. We can choose fixtures that direct light downward, instead of out and upwards. This not only minimizes light pollution but also enhances visibility by reducing glare. And remember, outdoor lights don't have to be on all night. A timer or a motion sensor can be a game changer. Lighting designers and city planners also have a crucial role to play. They can design and implement lighting systems that are not only efficient but also mindful of the environment. This includes using lights that emit a warmer color temperature, which is less disruptive to wildlife and human sleep patterns. In essence, it's about striking a balance between our need for artificial light and the preservation of the natural night. It's about understanding that light, as magical as it is, has its time and place. So, the next time you switch on a light, remember the incredible journey of light from night to day, and consider how you can help keep our skies dark and full of stars.